Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial health topic, prediabetes. Prediabetes is a condition where blood sugar levels are high, but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. It's a wake-up call, and catching it early can make all the difference. Stick around as we explore the 10 most important warning signs of prediabetes that you shouldn't ignore. Let's get started. Tip 1. Increased thirst. Experiencing an unusual increase in thirst can be one of the first warning signs of prediabetes. When there's excess sugar in your bloodstream, your body tries to flush it out through urine, leading to dehydration. If you find yourself feeling thirsty more often than usual, without any obvious reason, it might be time to check your blood sugar levels. Tip 2. Frequent urination. Along with increased thirst, if you're visiting the bathroom more often, especially at night, this could be a sign of prediabetes. This symptom occurs because your kidneys are working harder to remove the extra glucose from your blood. Monitoring how often you urinate can help you catch prediabetes early. Tip 3. Fatigue. Feeling unusually tired or fatigued, even when you haven't exerted yourself, could be a warning sign. High blood sugar levels can prevent your cells from receiving the energy they need, making you feel constantly tired. If this fatigue is persistent, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider. Tip 4. Blurred vision. Temporary blurred vision can occur when high blood sugar levels lead to swelling in the lenses of your eyes, affecting your ability to focus. This change is usually reversible once blood sugar levels are managed. Don't overlook this symptom. It's a clear signal that something might be off with your sugar levels. Tip 5. Slow healing of cuts and wounds. Notice that your cuts and wounds are healing slower than usual. High blood sugar can affect your blood flow and cause nerve damage, which impairs wound healing. This symptom shouldn't be ignored, as it indicates that your blood sugar could be consistently high. Tip 6. Tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. Experiencing tingling or numbness in your hands or feet is a common sign of prediabetes. This can be due to nerve damage from high blood sugar levels. It's important not to dismiss these sensations, especially if they occur frequently or persist. Tip 7. Dark skin patches. If you notice dark patches on the creases of your neck, armpit, or groin, it could be a sign of prediabetes. This condition, known as acanthosis nigricans, is linked to insulin resistance, a hallmark of prediabetes. These patches are velvety and darker than the surrounding skin. Tip 8. Increased hunger. Feeling hungrier than usual, even after eating, can be another warning sign. When your body can't effectively use insulin, glucose stays in your bloodstream, and your cells don't get the energy they need, which can increase hunger. Pay attention to changes in your appetite and eating habits. Tip 9. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying can be a symptom of prediabetes because your body isn't able to get energy from the food you eat and starts burning fat and muscle instead. If you notice you're losing weight despite no changes in diet or exercise, it's important to seek medical advice. Tip 10. Frequent infections. An increase in infections, whether they are urinary, skin, or yeast infections, can be a sign of prediabetes. High blood sugar levels can weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off invaders. If you're experiencing more infections than usual, it could be due to elevated glucose levels. Recognizing the signs of prediabetes early on can significantly reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional for proper testing and guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful health content. Thanks for watching and take care. Click the link in the description for a free diabetic ebook with 500 recipes.